Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you a very cool design. It's easy, so it's fast, because TikTok you can make only fast videos. I think 10 minutes, but it's going to be shorter than that. So, and especially because my intention is invite you to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Lady Balloons. Because there is where you can find lots of content already, tutorials on how to make balloon figurines, specific characters, and also just basic regular things as a balloon flower, for example. So this is gonna be a balloon flower, and let me show you and enjoy it. You will need balloons. It doesn't matter really the brand, especially if you start practicing with any brand you find, even from stores in, close to where you live, Walmart, Paris City, anywhere. You can find these skinny balloons. I know, it's like, when I talk, it's like, blah, I'm mixing things. But it's like, I'm not going back. I'm not gonna record this again. So it is what it is. So enjoy it, because it's not hard, and we're gonna go with basic. That way you kind of like feel, oh, okay, you can check this video, you made it, and then you can move to more advanced designs. Because this YouTube channel that I have, Cecilia Lady Balloons, have advanced, super advanced balloon designs, but also intermediate, and they're and easy too. One balloon figurines too. So I have a lot of content depending on the mood, right? Or how much skills you already have. So there you go. Pretty much social rules, right? When you have a balloon, this is a 160. The brand Decomix, but it doesn't really matter brands. It's just I'm telling you because you may think, is this a 260, a 160, how skinny, whatever skinny balloon you have. Inflated approximately a 7-8 finger tail. This is how you make a flower. Make loops, like you bend it and pinch and twist. Look, all the time I've been grabbing the nozzle. That's because it's gonna help to lock. There you go. You pass it around this nozzle, the knot, and it's done. Now let's repeat this as many times as you can with this balloon. So I'm making another petal. Let's go another. I use all my fingers, and this time this finger is pushing, so I twist a little bit there and pass it around the petal that it was next to there, and repeat. Pinch, push, twist, and that is what you do when you are a balloon twister. Pinch, twist, and pinch and twist and repeat. So with all this, you can make another petal, or you can pop this and wrap it around. That way you kind of have things secure. But I'm gonna push this and see if I can make here a bubble and become another extra petal. So when you are in this point, maybe it's easier to twist this part, So there you go. And this bubble now you can try. Look, I even using my chest to lock things. So all those things is probably part of what I've been doing without thinking, but it's more practical for me, so maybe it works for you. That bubble is in the other side, and in this side, I'm gonna leave it empty because maybe another color in the center will be better. Now I'm gonna grab another balloon. This is a 260, the brand probably from Amazon, I guess. Inflated approximately 8 finger tail. I think I'm losing air, but before I lose it all, I'm gonna keep twisting now. I'm gonna make the same idea, because this is a type of flower I like to do, and it's gonna stand on a bracelet. So I'm gonna make like 2 finger loop this time, smaller, another 2 finger loop, and probably 5 of these petals, just to create a base there. Look. So then I have 5 petals, then probably a wristband, something like a hair tie. You can use it to just pass it there around, so then that's gonna be a bracelet. And here, if you want, you can start making some leaves, okay? Or, look, I'm gonna measure 2 fingers long, twist, make another loop, twist. I'm gonna make another loop, twist. So this technique we're practicing is just loops and loops. You can keep it like this. In order to keep it this way, the loops, so then it looks more like lips maybe, you will need to make bubble, pinch, twist. That's another cool technique, bubble, pinch, twist. So you wanna try and move quickly to the next technique. It's a bubble, And that bubble, we're gonna make a pinch twist, we call it, because we're gonna grab that bubble. Look, we grab that bubble, pull a little bit, and twist. Okay, so then you have something like this. And in order to keep it more a constant, straight, these leaves, in the back, you're gonna do the same. A bubble, and you're gonna grab that bubble, pull and pinch, pinch. That's kind of what I'm doing. But here, it's about to reach, the flower. So, what do you think? Like this tall? It's not bad, right? But I like shorter. So I'm gonna measure something like 3 finger long. Cut this piece. So if you have a cutter like the one I have here, it's gonna make things, easier to do this, because sometimes you can do it with your nails. But if you're a beginner, better a cutter like that one. Okay, so you have this, look, the bracelet part, and here you're gonna attach it to your flower. Like in one of these petals, you're gonna split it a little bit open, pull and pass this around. So the idea is, like, for example, it's gonna be there in between. Let me show you. You're looking one side, that if you wanna leave this circle there. But if you wanna use this part here, you can pass any scrap or a little piece of balloon you have. I have a lot of scraps because I do this all the time. So I have a lot of scraps leftovers from other designs. For example, here is a broken piece yellow in the center. I'm gonna go and do that. So I'm gonna inflate. I have also an liquid inflator. So many things. You can make just a little bubble like this. You can make other things, but because it's a beginner video, tutorial for beginners, we're gonna do it this way. A bubble. And then we just pass it there, put it in the center, pull in between, and pass it around. So that's it. You can always accommodate things when it's everything done, or every time you're twisting, you can always keep accommodating, so it's easier when you start seeing, what you wanted to make. Look how beautiful. Look, it's ready. And it's a bracelet. This is a beautiful way how to make a flower bracelet, I guess, or flower. And people don't expect it's gonna be like this, because there's other different ways, but this is the way I think it's kind of practical for kids and everybody to have their flowers, and they don't have to worry about keep holding it all the time. You have it like this. And this can be also attached on your hair if you want. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, comment, subscribe on my YouTube channel, because that is pretty much what I use most, YouTube. But I'm now into TikTok, thinking maybe can work to the TikTok idea. So you tell me. Thank you. Bye bye.